Subscribe Dr. Sadiq Mathematics channel for getting more online videos.
2 is what percent of 50? What is the population after n years or n years ago if the present population is 120 crores? What is the percentage of increase in the population? Ravi spends 69% of his salary. What is his savings? All such problems we can solve by using the concept of percentage. Our friends, percentage. I am your Dr. Sadiq. Welcome to Dr. Sadiq Mathematics channel. Today we discuss concept of percentage. Please hit the like button, share this video and comment in the comment box. Let us see the concept. What friends? Percentage. Percent means per every 100. What friends? Per every 100 or out of every 100. Out of every 100. Let us see the definition of percentage. Percentage. A percentage, this is symbol friends, everybody known, compares a number to 100. A percentage compares a number to 100. Let us see the example. X percent, that is equal to x by 100. X by 100. We can give another example friends. Say 20%. 20% means 20 by 100. 30%, 30 by 100. 50%, 50 by 100. That means percentage can be replaced by 1 by 100. Percentage can be replaced by 1 by 100. Okay. Now I want to find the percentage when we compare to two quantities friends. Let us see the formula. X is what percent of y? What friends? X is what percent of y? What percent is x of y? What percent of y is x? What is the mathematical form? Very good. What is the mathematical form for these three questions? X by y into 100. X by y into 100. Once again friends, x is what percent of y? Or what percent of is x of y? Or what percent of y is x? What is the form friends? X by y into 100. X by y into 100. For example, 2 is what percent of 50? 2 is what percent of 50? Come on, tell me friends now. What percent of 50? 2 by 50 into 100. 2 times, that is equal to 4%. What friends? 4%. Okay, in this way we can solve any problem friends. Right. Now I want to find percentage of increase or decrease. Okay, let us see the formula. Percentage of increase, that is equal to increase by initial value into 100. What friends? Increase by initial value into 100. Similarly, percentage of decrease is decrease by initial value into 100. Decrease by initial value into 100. For example, if I am taking here, initially the cost is 10 rupees, it increased 15 rupees friends. What is percentage of increase? What is percentage of increase? Increase. What is increase here? 15 minus 10, 5. What is initial value? 10 into 100. Into 100. So, what is percentage of increase friends? 50%. Percentage of increase is 50%. In this way, we can find percentage of increase or percentage of decrease. Let us see important formulae on percentage. If the price of commodity increases, what friends? Price of commodity is increases, then consumption is decreases. Let us continue. By R%, then reduction in consumption. Reduction in consumption so as not to increase the expenditure is What is formula, friends, here? R by 100 plus R into 100 percentage. What is formula, friends? R by 100 plus R into 100 percentage. Now, if the price of commodity decreases, consumption is increases, friends. Let us continue. If the price of commodity decreases, previously it is increases, now it is decreases by R%, then increase in consumption so as not to decrease the expenditure is, what is formula, friends, here? R by 100 minus R into 100%. Once again, important formula, friends. R by 100 minus R into 100 percentage. Okay, these two formulas are very important, friends, in competitive exams. Now, I want to find the population after n years or n years ago. Okay, friends, let us see the formula. Results on population. Let the population of a town be P now. What, friends? What is population of a town? It may be town or village or country or world, friends. Okay, say what he says, P now. And suppose it increases at the rate R% per annum, then population after n years, what, friends? Population after n years is P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. What, friends, formula? P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. If you observe the formula, this formula is exactly compound interest, friends. The application of compound interest is population. Okay, friends, the formula is, we can simply remember, friends, population after n years is simple compound interest formula. What is formula? P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. This is after n years. N years ago, let us see. Population n years ago. Simply P divided with 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. Simply divide with 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. Okay, once again, what is formula, friends? P by 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. Let us see some important formulae on percentage. Results on depreciation. What, friends? Results on depreciation. Let us see the definition. Let the present value of a machine be capital P. What, friends? The value of the machine be capital P. Suppose it depreciates at the rate of capital R% per annum. What, friends? Rate of percent is capital R. Then value of the machine after n years. The value of the machine after n years is P into 1 minus R by 100 whole power n. Once again, friends, what is formula? P into 1 minus R by 100 whole power n. We can easily remember, friends. We know compound interest formula. What is compound interest formula? P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. You simply write minus in place of plus. Then we get the value of a machine after n years. Okay, once again, what is formula, friends? P into 1 minus R by 100 whole power n. Whole power n. Let us continue. Value of the machine n years ago. Value of the machine n years ago. Okay, what is formula? P by 1 minus R by 100 whole power n. Once again, P by 1 minus R by 100 whole power n. Okay, friends. Now, if we given two successive percentage, then overall percentage formula. Let us see. Very important, friends. If A% and B% are successive changes, then overall change A plus B plus AB by 100%. What, friends? What is formula? A plus B plus AB by 100. We can apply this concept to if given two successive discount trends, 10%, 20%. What is overall discount percentage? Okay, friends. If we given the side of a square is 10% increase, what is increase in the area or rectangle or triangle? Okay friends, that's why this formula is very very important friends. In every competitive exam there will be one question on this formula. Be careful. Let us continue. X plus 10% of x. Plus means increase friends. 10% increase. What is formula? 110% of x. 110% of x. X minus 10% of x. Minus means decrease. Okay, 100 minus 10, 90. 90% of x. 90% of x. Let us say another formula friends. If capital A is r% more than capital B, then B is less than A by r by 100 plus r into 100%. Once again friends, A is r% more than capital B. What percent more friends? R%. Then B is less than A by r by 100 plus r into 100% friends. Okay, let us continue another formula. If A is, previously it is more friends, now it is less than. Now it is less than B, then B is more than A by, obviously minus friends here, r by 100 minus r into 100%. This percentage topic is very very important in each and every competitive exam friends. Please be prepared all these formulas so that you can solve any problem in competitive exam. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.